Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add account in YouTube. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So for this, first of all, you need to open up the YouTube application, and let's suppose that if you want to add another your YouTube account in your YouTube application here. So first of all, you need to tap on your profile image at the top right here, and then you can see this option here basically. So you need to basically just tap on this option here, and basically this will bring up all of your YouTube accounts that are on this device right now. And if you scroll down here basically, you can basically here at the top you can see this plus sign. So if you want to add a new account, just tap on this plus sign here. Okay, and then basically you have to enter your Gmail and your password that is associated with your new YouTube account. Okay, so you just need to enter your Gmail account here, and if that specific Gmail contains any YouTube channel, then it will be appeared in your YouTube application. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.